and we need to put a new one in there. So for that, we have, out of our working toolbar down here, we go to T-Changer. Brings up the tool change machine, and we look for which one we want to change. Right now we're changing our main cutting bit, which is 141. It's the 3/8 bit. In order to do that, we deposit the tool number, which is 141. You can see it's 141. Hit enter, and then from there, we hit the start button down here. And we'll see the machine drop off the 3/8 bit. Pull it out from there. We bring it over here. We have these two cutouts, make sure they're lined up. Push this forward so that it's locked into place. Then we grab a torque wrench, which is sitting right here, and loosen it up. It's double locked. We'll do it again. Pull the old bit out. Put the new bit in. Tighten it. Now we go put it back in the machine. Bring it over here real quick. When you put it in, you want to make sure these two light indicators are both on. The green and the yellow button or light are both on. It can have just green. We want both of them on or it won't pick the tool up. And since we're putting a new tool in, we're going to highlight this, which is going to touch off the tool bit and account for the change in the height of the bit where it was sitting. Now we're going to pick up the tool. Same tool number, 141. Enter. Hit start down here. It's going to pick up the tool and then take it over to that little black pod and touch it off right there.